Alright, and what we're doing is we're just making sure that the camera is on. Look for the little blinking red light. Got the slab, or correction, we just have the jig in this case, crappie jig, and a pink gulp. I'm just going to roll it behind us, let it sink a little, and hopefully we'll get a bite here. Alright, start out with some fish bites here at Clear Lake on catfish gulp, or correction, shrimp gulp. Alright, first one of the day is a catfish on the shrimp gulp, pink. We're going to let this one go get bigger. Okay, what we're doing is we've turned into the wind, but we're letting it drift us backwards. And we've got the pole in front of us, and we're just letting the rig bounce on the bottom. And hopefully we'll get some good action shots of something at least attacking the jig, or actually even hooking up with us on that. All right, got a gaspergoo. Cool beans. Snagged them. Alright, so far we've got that one catfish on the Berkeley Gulp, and then we have that one snag on a gaspergoo, and now we're just going to control some Slab and Jig Rigs up over there to the island point, and basically get a workout in, and hopefully there's a fish on the end of our line at the end of this. Okay, so we made it all the way to the point, really rough water, and pretty much didn't get anything trolling. Did get that one catfish and the gaspergoo. Other than that, that's pretty much all we got this round. Luckily we got the waterbowl camera, and hopefully we'll be able to show you some video of something that actually chased behind the lures that we were trolling. Alright, till next time, we'll catch y'all later, and good luck, good fishing.